Did you know that just one small mistake when using baking soda could cause serious trouble for your body after the age of 60? On the other hand, if used correctly, this inexpensive white powder can help relieve persistent pain, improve oral health, and even support kidney and joint function. If you're over 60, listen carefully, because these secrets could completely change the way you take care of yourself. Ignoring the information in this video could significantly increase your risk of joint pain, heartburn, or even more serious issues like kidney disease. Don't let that happen. Today, I'm going to share with you 13 little-known but highly effective ways to use baking soda to maintain your health in your golden years. From soothing a sore throat and reducing gout swelling to even supporting cancer treatment, you'll be amazed at what baking soda can do. And don't worry, I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, so you can easily apply these tips at home. Before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more great health tips, designed especially for those over 60. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is not just something you use for baking or deodorizing your fridge. It's a secret weapon that has been used for centuries in traditional remedies and is now backed by science. But first, let's talk about how baking soda helps your body cleanse itself. After the age of 60, our bodies sometimes struggle to eliminate toxins. You might experience itchy skin, rashes, or a general feeling of heaviness. Baking soda can help. When dissolved in water, it creates an alkaline environment that helps neutralize acid in the body. You can soak in a bath with a bit of baking soda, about 2 to 3 tablespoons in a basin of warm water. This method soothes the skin, relieves itching, and leaves you feeling refreshed. Many people over 60 say that after a baking soda bath they feel rejuvenated. But what's even more interesting is that baking soda can also support internal detoxification. A study from the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that drinking a small amount of baking soda mixed with water may help reduce acid levels in the blood, especially useful for those with chronic kidney disease. This can ease the burden on the kidneys and lower the risk of kidney failure. However, don't rush. You should only use about 1/4 teaspoon mixed with a glass of water, and always consult your doctor first, especially if you have blood pressure or kidney issues. While baking soda is cheap and easy to find, using it incorrectly can cause bloating or discomfort. Next, let's talk about your smile. At age 60, our teeth often become discolored due to coffee, tea, or simply the passage of time. Baking soda is a wonderful friend for naturally whitening teeth. It works as a mild abrasive, gently removing stains without damaging the enamel, if used correctly. Just mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste. Then gently brush your teeth using a soft bristled toothbrush. You'll notice smoother teeth after just one use. Additionally, the alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. A study from the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpaste containing baking soda removes plaque much more effectively than regular toothpaste. But be careful, use it only 2 to 3 times per week, as overuse can wear down the enamel. Here's another issue that many people over 60 face: heartburn. After a hearty meal, that burning sensation in the chest can be quite uncomfortable. Baking soda is a quick and inexpensive solution. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water, stir well, and sip it slowly. It will neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn almost instantly. This isn't just a home remedy, medicine backs it up. A review from Gastroenterology and Hepatology called baking soda an effective natural medicine for acid reflux. But don't overuse it, as excessive consumption can raise sodium levels in the body, which can be harmful for those with high blood pressure. As you can see, just 3 benefits in, and baking soda has already proven its power. But don't stop here. The next section is even more exciting, with ways to use baking soda to fight fungal infections, ease joint pain, and even support healthier kidneys. Stay tuned to discover secret number 4, a method many people over 60 are using to finally get relief from persistent itching. You've already seen how powerful baking soda is when it comes to detoxifying, whitening teeth, and relieving heartburn. But for those over 60, get ready to be surprised. This simple white powder can do even more. Issues like skin fungus, joint pain, and even urinary tract infections can be improved with just one kitchen ingredient. Keep listening, because missing these secrets might mean missing your chance to live a healthier life in your golden years. And don't forget, at the end of the video, I'll reveal a special tip that even doctors rarely mention. Let's start with a common issue many people over 60 face: skin fungus, especially foot fungus. At this age, our skin tends to stay moist more easily, creating the perfect environment for fungus to grow and cause uncomfortable itching. Baking soda can be a lifesaver. Its alkalinity weakens the environment that fungus needs to thrive. A study from Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution, 10 g per liter of water, can inhibit up to 80% of fungal types. It's very easy to use. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste, apply it to the affected area, leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse off. Or you can soak your feet in a basin of warm water, mixed with 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Many people report that the itching noticeably decreases after just a few uses. But remember, if the condition is severe, don't rely on baking soda alone. See a doctor for proper treatment. Next, have you ever experienced a burning sensation when urinating or felt the urge to go frequently? These may be signs of a urinary tract infection, UTI, a common issue for people over 60, especially women. Baking soda can help ease the symptoms. When taken in small amounts, 1 or 2 teaspoons mixed with a glass of water, it makes the urine less acidic, creating a less favorable environment for bacteria. A study from the Japanese Journal of Urology found that women who took baking soda experienced significant symptom improvement after 4 weeks. This method helps reduce the burning sensation and supports the body in fighting the infection. But be cautious. Baking soda is not a substitute for antibiotics. If symptoms persist, you should see a doctor immediately. Now, let's talk about a small but extremely bothersome issue: mouth ulcers. At age 60, even a tiny sore can make eating feel like a nightmare. Baking soda is a fantastic natural remedy. Simply rinse your mouth with a solution of baking soda, a 1 or 2 teaspoon mixed with a glass of warm water, and you'll notice the ulcer becomes less painful and heals faster. Its alkalinity helps neutralize acids in the mouth, reduce inflammation, and prevent bacteria from spreading. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association confirmed that rinsing with baking soda reduces pain and promotes the healing of mouth ulcers. Try it the next time you get a sore. It's simple, but surprisingly effective. If you're someone who enjoys being active, even just walking or doing light exercise, baking soda can help rejuvenate your muscles. During physical activity, your muscles produce lactic acid, which leads to fatigue and soreness. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, allowing you to exercise longer with less fatigue. An analysis from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that baking soda improves performance in high-intensity activities like brisk walking or cycling. Simply drink 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with water about 60 minutes before exercising, but start with a small dose, as too much can cause bloating. Want to walk longer without getting tired? Baking soda might be your secret weapon. Finally, in this section, let's talk about the kidneys, an organ that many people over 60 need to pay special attention to. Chronic kidney disease causes acid to build up in the body, forcing the kidneys to work harder. Baking soda helps reduce the acid in the blood, easing the burden on the kidneys. A study from the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who took baking soda daily experienced slower kidney function decline and were less likely to need dialysis. But this isn't something to take lightly. You must consult your doctor before using it, as baking soda contains sodium, which can be harmful if used improperly. Impressed by how amazing baking soda is? Don't stop here. The next section will reveal how baking soda can help reduce arthritis pain, manage gout, and even support cancer treatment. And don't miss Secret Number 10, it will surprise you. A method people over 60 are using to relieve pain in just a few days. If you're over 60, you've come a long way with us, exploring the many ways baking soda can transform your health. From detoxification and teeth whitening to kidney support and soothing mouth ulcers, this white powder is truly a treasure in your kitchen. But don't go just yet. These final benefits are incredibly important, especially if you're dealing with joint pain, gout, or want to prevent illness. And at the end of the video, I'll share a special tip that many people over 60 are using to live a healthier life. Keep listening. Let's start with arthritis, a silent enemy for many people over 60. Pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints can make walking or even gripping objects difficult. But would you believe baking soda might help? A 2018 study from the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a baking soda solution daily triggered an anti-inflammatory response in the body, reducing swelling and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. It's simple. Dissolve 1-2 teaspoons of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it each day. Many people have reported feeling more joint flexibility after a few weeks. But be patient. Results take time, and always check with your doctor to ensure it's safe for you. Next, if you've ever experienced the pain of gout, you know how excruciating it can be. Gout occurs when uric acid builds up and forms sharp crystals in the joints, most commonly in the big toe. Baking soda helps neutralize uric acid, reducing the risk of crystal formation and easing the pain. A study from Arthritis and Rheumatism found that baking soda can help dissolve uric acid crystals and increase their elimination through urine. Simply drink 1-2 teaspoons of baking soda mixed with water at the onset of a gout attack. But don't overdo it. Be sure to consult your doctor for a long-term gout management plan. When flu season arrives, baking soda can also be a powerful ally. A sore throat, stuffy nose, or general discomfort can leave you feeling drained. Gargling with a baking soda solution, 1-2 teaspoons mixed with a glass of warm water, helps soothe the throat and reduce bacteria. You can also add baking soda to a saline solution for nasal rinsing. It helps clear congestion and relieve nasal pressure. A study from the Journal of the American Dental Association found that baking soda mouth rinses significantly reduce throat irritation and bacterial levels, helping you recover faster. Try it the next time you catch a cold. You'll feel the difference. The most surprising fact is that baking soda may support cancer treatment. It might sound hard to believe, but science is actively exploring this. Cancer tends to thrive in an acidic environment, and baking soda may help make that environment more alkaline, potentially increasing the effectiveness of chemotherapy. A study from Cancer Research, 2009, found that baking soda reduced acidity around tumors in mice, slowing cancer growth. However, this is only preliminary research. You should never attempt to use baking soda to treat cancer on your own. If you or a loved one is undergoing cancer treatment, always consult with a doctor first. Finally, baking soda is an excellent natural deodorizer. At age 60, many people become concerned about body odor. Baking soda neutralizes the acids in sweat, preventing odor-causing bacteria from thriving. A study from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that baking soda effectively reduces body odor. Simply apply a small amount of baking soda powder under your arms, or mix it with coconut oil for easier application. It's safe, free of harsh chemicals, and helps you stay confident all day long. Now, let's recap. Baking soda helps with detoxification, teeth whitening, heartburn relief, antifungal protection, UTI support, soothing mouth ulcers, boosting exercise performance, kidney support, reducing arthritis pain, managing gout, easing cold symptoms, supporting cancer treatment, and deodorizing. But remember, if you're over 60, don't use baking sodas carelessly. People with kidney issues, high blood pressure, or digestive problems should consult a doctor first. Pregnant women, those with allergies, or individuals with respiratory conditions should also use caution. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Have you tried baking soda for any of these issues? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your story. And don't miss our next video about 5 foods people over 60 should avoid to protect their joints. You'll be surprised by what's on the list. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and see you next time.